Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Skylar and Jason, and today we're going to be playing Lego Dimensions. But first, we have to open this Aquaman. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we just built Aquaman. We'll see the other stuff. Well, legs are flying by. Lego Dimensions. Where are you? Oh yeah, sorry about that, guys. Okay, let's see something. Okay, let's go to slot 1. Load? Yes. Okay, it's loading right now. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put Aquaman on the portal. Woohoo! King of Atlantis. Okay, so we're gonna build the Aquacraft, and you guys can take a look while we're building it. Okay. Oh, sorry about that, guy. Gonna build it. Let's build it. Let's build it. Let's build it. Okay, let's see. Gotta get that piece. Oh, wait a second. Back on track. Wait 1 second, guys. I need to go put these two pieces because it's kind of hard to build it while I'm holding the camera, so I'll see you guys. Well, not see you guys, but I'll be 1 second. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Go ahead again. Okay. Gonna put it on that piece. Oh yeah, guys, right there's someone sitting right next to me. It's my cat, Ashley. Hello, Ashley. Hi. Hi. Isn't she cute? Aren't you, Ash? Oh. You guys, I need to put the camera down for a second. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, if you guys didn't see my other videos and you didn't see my face, well, here's my face. Here it is, here's my face. Yeah. Actually, no. Sorry about that, guys. Well, I messed up for a second, guys. I'll be right back. Be right back, as you can get these two pieces apart. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, guys. Just need to take my pieces apart. Not the whole thing. Here's the whole whole thing so far. It's not the whole thing. Yeah, but close to it. Need to put these pieces on and we'll begin right back. But yeah, guys, if you didn't hear like a meow, that was my Ashley right next to me. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Need to connect something. I'll see you guys right back when we'll begin and start again. Sorry about that, guys. Need to connect it. Can I connect it? Oopsie. I'll see you guys right back. My piece fell apart. Okay. Stop. Same thing, and right back. Okay. If you know how I keep saying right back, if you guys are getting annoyed, I'll be stopping that. Oh, wait. Need to go back. I'll be right back. Oh. Hey, Ashley? No, not for you. Nichols are not for you. Sorry, guys. My Ashley put her Lego in her mouth. Ashley? Over there. Over there, okay? Sorry. Wait 1 second, I gotta put a Lego on that gray piece right there, if you guys can see it. I believe that's so. We'll see. Right now. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, we got the stand on. And we'll put it in the toy tag. Toy tag saved. Oh, Ashley's coming back. Let's see what. Ashley, go over there, okay? Go over there so my subscribers can watch, okay? Hey, what did I say? And no eating bags. Ashley, go over there. Ashley, go over there, okay? Whoa, a dolphin just flew by. Wow. Let's check this thing out. Whoa, it's like hopping everywhere. Boing, 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 boing. Bubbles, bubbles. Oh, let's get out of it for a second. Can I get out of it for a second? And here we go. Oh, woohoo! All right. What the? Oh, no, where you are? We were like right on here. Why can't I move? So strange. Why can't I move? We'll skip this. Because we can't skip. Okay, guys, that was that was it. And if you guys like my video, you can give us a like. You don't have to if you don't want to. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Aquaman said bye. Bye. Say bye, Ash. Bye, subscribers. So that was it, guys. See you guys next time. And peace out. Bye.